So we are here trying to work out how to connect laptops to monitors. Okay, so we've got two laptops of very different specs and very different ages. That's a very old laptop nowadays, and that one is brand new. And they've got very different connections, and depending on the connections that the monitors have will depend on the type of setup that you have with your monitors and maybe a dock or not. We'll start with a new one. Don't knock that over. Start with a new one. This is really simple. This new monitor here has got the dock built into it, and it's all by USB-C. So there is one cable, and that connects into our laptop there in one position. That is it. Full connection, complete. We don't even need a power cable for the laptop because this monitor is passing through power from the monitor to the laptop. So everything is all in one cable, everything done. This older laptop doesn't support that same technology. It has got USBs only, it doesn't have USB-C. And so for this one, we have to have a separate dock in order to connect it to the monitor. That has a USB-C that goes from that laptop to this dock. This dock then goes to the monitor, and that allows the display to go through. That cable, or that laptop rather, doesn't support power through from the cable. So we also have to have our power lead. So in order to plug this one in, I had to plug in two leads, but one of those leads I had to plug all the way to the wall over there to actually get the laptop to fire up in the first place. Then I could connect it to the monitor. Didn't have to do that with all that one. Well, actually the benefit of having a dock, there is a benefit to this, despite the fact that there's zillion to 100 cables. We've also gained some extra features that that laptop does not have. For example, we've got two USBs and another two USBs. But, oh no, they're USB-Cs, yeah. And we got some microphone and some headphone and some DisplayPort and some HDMI. That didn't have either of those. And this has got a network port, which I don't know if that laptop does, but let's assume it doesn't. So we've gained lots of extra connections. So if you're one of these people that has like 4 million USB things to plug in and you don't have enough on your laptop, then that's where a dock can become very useful. That's the downside of this, is that we are limited by what is on the laptop already. There is no dock, there's no extra ports. So we've only got on the laptop there two USBs. If you need more than two, you're trying to find a word that isn't... You can't say that. But this monitor, as well as its dock, it does have 3 USB slots on the back. So you can plug in your wireless mouse or your wireless keyboard, but that's about it. If you needed to have, I don't know, HDMI or a network port, it doesn't have any of that. That is where the benefit of a dock comes in. You get those extra ports.
The Source and Supply team are here to help you. Contact Select Technology today.